This dua, Allahu Akbar, Subhanallah, is specifically for my sister and my brother that are looking for a spouse. Is specifically for my brothers and sister who's having financial hardship. This dua is for my brother and sister that are suffering from any kind of grief. I think those three categories included us all. What is that dua? رَبِّ إِنِّي لِمَا أَنزَلْتَ إِلَيَّ مِنْ خَيْرٍ فَقِيرٌ. Ya Rabb, Ya Allah, I am faqir to any khair. I am in dire need. I am poor for any khair. When it comes from the heart, deep from the heart. And that is the secret of having the dua answered. Rasulullah ﷺ said, in Allah does not answer a dua coming from qalbin la, a heart that is wandering left and right. Yani, Rabbi inni lima anzalta ilayya min khayrin. What are you doing? Who are you asking? What is this? Are you asking me? No. Have respect when you ask.